meeting. He said, play me that Bird Lady song again. So I played it again. And he said, that's the key to the whole story, isn't it? He said, that's right, Walt, that's it. And that's the day he put us under contract. So that was the day that he put us under contract to him. And 10 greatest years of my life working for Walter Dean. Of course, we've been connected ever since. But this is his song. And I used to go to his office every once in a while. Bob and I on a Friday would get a call. We come down there and we talk about what we were working on, of course. He knew what we were working on, but he still talked to us about it. And then he'd look out the north window and he'd say, of his office, and he'd say, play it. And I played it for him. Early each day to the steps of St. Paul's, a little old girl in her own special way, to the people she calls, come buy my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, their nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Tuppence a bag, feed the birds, that's what she cries, while overhead her birds fill the sky. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see it, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Though her words are simple and few, listen, listen, she's calling to you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag,